Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lithuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. 4 armed suspects arrested in Johannesburg after police crackdown on violent attacks against Jeepistown e-hailing drivers. South African Police Services officers have arrested 4 male suspects believed to be terrorizing e-hailing drivers in Jeepistown and surrounding areas of Johannesburg. The arrests were carried out on Friday, 23 January 2026, following intelligence-led operations targeting violent robberies and kidnappings linked to the group. According to police, officers received information about the whereabouts of suspects allegedly responsible for robbing and kidnapping e-hailing drivers operating in Jeepistown and nearby areas. Acting on the tip-off, police moved swiftly to a shack in the Bertrams area where suspects were located. During the operation in Bertrams, all 4 suspects were arrested after being found in possession of 4 unlicensed firearms and ammunition. The weapons were seized at the scene, and police confirmed that the suspects were taken into custody without incident. Police said the suspects will be profiled, while the seized firearms will undergo ballistic testing to determine whether they were used in the commission of other crimes. The arrests form part of ongoing efforts to curb violent crime targeting e-hailing drivers in Johannesburg. Abantu abathwele kanzima njengo-driver laba bey'moto lezi e-hailing, whether i-Uber or i-Bolt, bathwele kanzima ngoba bathi bebhekene nempi yamasela lawo okukhulunywa ngawo ukuthi ayabakidnapper, abathathela imali, yonke lento eyenzakalayo, bese phinde ebhekana nempi yabantu bamatekisi. Ngoba abantu bamatekisi angazi mina bacabanga kanjani. Uhulumeni usebayeka isikhathi eside. Ngakho-ke uma ubona ipost enje, ubona kunabantu ababushiwe, lokho kubuyisa ithemba. Siphila esikhathini lapho khona abantu bengasebenzi. So abantu bayazama ngendlela abazama ngayo, abanye baze bathole zona le imoto lezi bazifake ku-Uber. Khona lapho kunomuntu ozovele nje angafuni wena usebenze. Udaba esike sakhuluma ngalo enyakeni ophelile lela lenzeka lapha ya eMaponya Mall. Mawusuza umndeni waloya mfana wayishonile, uthi lo muntu besanda kuthola imoto, wathi hayi ngoba umsebenzi angawutholi, kungcono ngizame ukubamba la imoto ngiyifake kwi-Uber kanti uzoba neshwa lokudutshulwa aphinde ashiswe. Yingakho nje ngibona ngikuncoma lokwenza kamaphoyisa, noma ngisathi akakafiki la kufanele kufike khona. Baze manje bafunda ukuba nama-dash cam ukuze mabe bahlukumeze labantu baba-record. Sike sabona omunye nje zama eshaya inkomane nabo beelwa nabo labantu bamatekisi ngoba urequestiwe uthi uyalayisha bayafika bona. And abantu bamatekisi abazi ukuthi siphila kwi-South Africa ekhululekileyo. Lapho kufuneka mina njengomuntu ozogibela ngidecide ukuthi iluphi uhlobo le-transport. Iliphi uhlobo le-transport engifuna ukulisebenzisa. Okokuqala nje i-Uber is convenient. Uma mina ngisuka la ngiye mall ngithenga izinto zibaningi, ngiyazi ukuthi mangirequesta ngilayisha into zami zonke, imoto ingisusa la ngisusa khona, ingibeka ngqo esangweni, ngehlisa izinto sengifikile. I-taxi kwesinye isikhathi ifuna ngiwalke ngiye la ngizothola khona i-taxi, ngiphinde ngihlale ngilinde i-taxi igcwale. Kusuke lapho ihamba i-taxi izule na ifike ngishiyele kude, ngiphinde futhi ngitatameke namaplastiki mangabe ngiphethe wona. Ngiyakujabulela nje lokho engikubonayo ukuthi amaphoyisa akwenzile. Osukwini la izolo amaphoyisa ase-KZN adubule abasolwa ababili okudala befuneka, labasolwa bekudala befuneka. Bathe-ke amaphoyisa maye baconfronta base bezama ukulwa amaphoyisa abadubula bashona. Nantu udaba lwakhona.
This is the Umsinyati area within Inanda. It's very rural. I mean, if you look around me now, you'll get a sense of that. And even just getting to the house where the shooting took place, that was quite a difficult process. The roads are not great, and it's really tucked away here within these hills that the area is known for. But nevertheless, police from the SAPS Inanda task team were able to track down these suspects who were hiding out in that house that you're looking at now. So in fact, one of those suspects has been sought for about 2 years. So it's been a really long road for police. And he was wanted for murders and armed robberies, house robberies, and those robberies and those crimes took place some distance away from where we are now. So this was essentially, according to police, a hideout, and that's why they were located here. But besides him, there were also 3 other men that were here at the time. So police say that when they arrived here, they were then greeted with gunfire because 2 of those suspects were already standing outside. They were armed. They engaged in a gun battle with police. They were supported by their accomplices that were inside the house. And then at the end of it, the 2 that were inside were shot dead. One of those, as I mentioned, is that one that was wanted for all of those crimes and that string of crimes. And the other 2, those 2 fled. They were able to get through the back of the house and over a fence. And at the moment, they are still being sought because they were also seen to be armed and dangerous as being the ones that were also engaging in that gunfight with police when they arrived. So right now, the scene is being processed. And in fact, just a short while ago, we saw that some of the relatives as well of the suspects had arrived at the scene, and they were making various inquiries just to confirm the identities of the suspects that have been shot dead.
Yazi ukuthi kuma-relative nasey'hlobeni zabo labantu kuzoba buhlungu ukuthi iy'hlobo zabo zidutshuliwe, kodwa umphakathi usuzophepha. Kunomphakathi ongasezukuhlukumezeka. Khona inkinga kule ndawo zakoNanda, kwaMashu, ayi ikhona inkinga ngempela. Ukuya kuma-Respect, hayi. And into ebuhlungu labantu abakhanda abenza lobugebengu obuhlukumeza umphakathi, ababulala abantu, ababamba inkunzi, zonke lento abazenzayo, abafana abancane abano-16 years, abanye bano-20 years. Yeyi, akusuba abantu nje abadala. Labantu bebefunela uxhaxha lamacala njengoba manje beze badibana namaphoyisa benza iphutha, ngoba kumaphoyisa noma waphi amaphoyisa atrainiwe, amaphoyisa aya kuma-shooting range atrain ukudubula. Akufanelanga amaphoyisa mayefika bese wena njengomuntu azokubopha ufuna ukuzenza isigore ngoba azokudubula, futhi kakhulukazi uma ufana nalabantu, ngoba amaphoyisa asuke kwazi vele ukuthi uyingozi, asuke kwazi ngempela ukuthi uyingozi. Ngakho-ke asuke eze kuwe elindele vele ukuthi noma yini ingenzeka. Ingakho kubalula ukuthi bakudubule ufe futhi kungathinteki nelilodwa iphoyisa, ngoba basuke bazi ukuthi hey, siyolanda umuntu oyingozi. Kanti isigebengu masisarendile kahle nje, siyaboshwa ngokuthula nje, siboshwe siyogcinwa le bese sondliwa-ke imali yentela. Ngiyangizijabulele-ke lesimo esenzakalayo ukuthi yazi lo muntu ube la lezi gebengu. Ngiyazithanda igebengu ezenza ubulungiswa kanje, ngoba vele zona zezigora ziqhubeke nokuba zigora noma sekufika amaphoyisa. Lokho nje kuya kungijabulise uma lezi gebengu ziqhubeka nokuba zigora noma esefikile amaphoyisa, ngoba lokho kuzokwenza ukuthi kungabi nayindleko zokunaka bona laphaya kwi-correctional facility. KZN kune-article ethi outrage as KwaMashu Station Commander instructs police officers to stop arresting illegal immigrants. Vispol and sector commanders to take note and comply with immediate effect. The arrest of illegal immigrants must cease with immediate effect, as this is not one of our monthly targets. Resources must be utilized to work on drugs, illegal firearms, and dealing in liquor targets. Where an illegal immigrant is arrested committing a crime, e.g., dealing in liquor, etc., the immigrant must be detained and It's the responsibility of the arresting officer to get confirmation of the status of the immigration from Home Affairs. Planned operations targeting illegal immigrants will be conducted with the assistance of the Department of Home Affairs. These operations will be planned by the Vispol head as random arrests disturb our daily planned activities. Should a member effect an arrest of an alleged illegal immigrant, he or she will be solely responsible for obtaining a 212 statement from Home Affairs and charge the person. Any deviation from this directive will lead to consequential management being implemented. Kindly ensure that this directive is circulated to all members from Colonel BC Silinga, Acting SC, Acting Station Commander kwaMashu SAPS. Amaphoyisa umsebenzi wawo akuwona na ukuthi a-enforce law alwa necrime. Akuwona umsebenzi wamaphoyisa na ukulwa necrime. Angithi umuntu ola illegally ulo muntu ucommit icrime cause ungena ezweni ngokungekho semthethweni. Kahle kahle kwenzakalani South Africa yethu ekhululekileyo? Yabona kuyinkinga ukuthatha imali yabantu abathize ngoba kungenzeka kuba lo muntu lo station commander uthatha imali. Manje sebeyamfonela bayamkhumbuza ukuthi endoda awulungise lesimo okanye uzokubona kwakho ezikade emthini. Iyona into engiyicabangayo. Yini vele ngenza ukuthi lo muntu ethi amaphoyisa awangabe sababopha labantu? Ngoba phela ukuba la kulelizwe illegally kuyicrime. So uma ngabe iphoyisa lizo bopha umuntu sekufuna lona libe responsible for yonke into, kusiza ngani? Unqonda amaphoyisa amandla. Nabantu bama drugs kwenzeka kanje. And ubugebengu obuningi okwenziwa yalabantu labo hijack imoto okuthengisa ama drugs angithi ngeke besakwenza. Angeke besakwenza. Uma ubhalile nje angeke besakwenza. Why fanele lo muntu avimba amaphoyisa ukuthi angalwi nento yobugebengu? Ngoba phela lento yobugebengu. Why? Yazi mabengasuka abantu base South Africa bethi okay ngoba ninamaphoyisa niyayeka ukubabopha thina labantu sibafaka induku kuzosuka wona amaphoyisa abopha abantu base South Africa yena lo station commander uzowayalela amaphoyisa. South Africa hayi angiyibambe le video angazi nothi ngithini. Cela ukuze ukuphola kwakho la comment section.